Oh, hey everyone, come on in. I was hoping you would. I'm so excited to show you this property here in the fantastic neighborhood of Newport Heights. And it is spectacular. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, once again about 1,000 square feet. There are so many things I love about this home, including the fact that it is furnished. Now you're welcome to bring your own furniture, but if you like what's here, hey, why not? So the first thing is the living room. Now for this being just 1,000 square foot cottage, beach cottage basically, it feels so much bigger. I don't know if it's because of the open floor plan, or it might be just the beautiful picture windows. Look at the size of that window over there. I mean, that is incredible. And there's a beautiful side yard and deck outside also. Now the deck has little peekaboo, God, say that 3 times, peekaboo view of the ocean, but the other thing is honestly, you can feel the ocean vibes here. I just love it. So there's a wonderful fireplace. At the end of the night, great place to gather around with family and friends, have a glass of wine or a cup of tea or whatever, but so light and bright. Now the other thing is there's plenty of room here for a table. Of course, you could probably sit 8 people here depending on how many chairs you have. I also like the light fixture. It's kind of modern and cool. But look how well, I'm going to stand back. Now look how well this flows from the living room area into the kitchen. Oh my God, I didn't even notice this. Look how cute those shelves are and the open shelves. This is just a little bar area, or you can make it a coffee bar, but I also like the wine fridge. Oh, look, they have the dual temperature for red wine and white. That's wonderful too. The other thing I like is everything here has been beautifully remodeled. The stainless dishwasher, of course. Look at this cool farmhouse sink. Oh, and oh my God, who doesn't love a bay window like that? They have wonderful cabinetry and everything here. Now listen, I'm looking hard for anything that's wrong here and I can't find it. This place is beautiful. Everything's really neat and clean. Honestly, it looks like it's brand new. And of course, I love the 5-burner cooktop, of course. And this door here, this goes out to the front as well, where you'll find room enough to park 2 cars. So that's awesome. I just love that. So you can go on the main door, or you can go what I call this the best friend's door. And there's a lot of storage here. Of course, there's a nice stainless steel refrigerator. Now look how clean everything is. I mean, I don't find honestly, one fingerprint on that. I'm not sure mine is that clean at home. But I love that, of course, the microwave. Now stepping over here, there's bedroom number 1. And what I love about this room also is there is a little set of smaller French doors that go out onto a little side deck. If you want to just have a little table and chairs out there, relax, but you can honestly see the breezes on the palm trees. Oh my gosh, this is so Newport. I just absolutely love it. The other thing, though, even though it's an older cottage, there's plenty of newer things like the recessed lighting. The ceilings are a little bit higher. If you look, all of the doors are nicer doors with the newer handles. I know it's not a big deal, but it just makes everything look so put together. And here's what I really love. Check out this bathroom. There's double sinks. That looks nice too. That vanity actually looks like a piece of furniture. And then who doesn't love to have a shower over tub? And the beautiful kind of blue grayish tile I really like. And look at this extra area for your towels. Now one thing I just noticed, look how beautiful these floors are. I don't know, I think they're a luxury vinyl, but they might be a hardwood. I'm not sure. They look so nice. It could be either one, but they go all throughout the home and they're just so neat and tidy. And they have that kind of beach vibe too, so I really love that. Now, oh, what's it, Daisy? Stepping into the biggest bedroom. Now check this out. That is a king size bed. So there's plenty of room in here for a king size bed, 2 side tables. They also have another dresser. A lot of room in here. Now this is the other thing. Oftentimes in rentals, you don't always, in smaller rentals anyway, you don't always find a washer or dryer, but look at this. Look at this closet. This is huge for all your clothes. I mean, or storage obviously. And the washer dryer's here. And that washer dryer stays. Now I know you can't feel what I'm feeling on camera, but the AC is going on in this house and it is so cool and so comfortable. So once again, an older beach cottage in Newport with AC is hard to find. So that's a big deal. So once again, this is right in the heart of Newport Heights, but I also want to take you out to the, before we finish our tour, I want to take you outside to the front area. It has an adorable porch and it winds around to the back. So we're going to check out the porch that goes out to the back. If you come here, this winds around to the backyard and this is where you can get that little bit of a peekaboo ocean view. But look at all this space. You could have a couple tables out here, some lounge chairs, and right over there you can get a peekaboo view of the ocean. So this neighborhood is just beautiful. Everything's put together, yet the other thing is you still have your privacy. Now if we come out to the front door again, you'll notice right over here, there's another little area with table and chairs, a seating area. Of course, there's a barbecue. So there's plenty of room. But my favorite of this whole house, I have to say, is this adorable Dutch door. So hey everyone, thank you for joining me on this fun property tour. Now a shout out to my good friend Michelle Tripke with Orange County Homes. She's the listing agent on this property, and if you want any other information, give myself or Dylan a call.